So this really cute frog hat comes wrapped up in this package here. You just peel it back like this, and you're going to be able to slide that right out. Now right away I can tell you that it's super soft on the outside right here. I really like these eyes. These are super cute. They're a bit squishy right here and right here, and the eye coverings over here are also just as soft as this right here. You're going to see that it has this little Velcro piece right here, and that opens up easily. It's probably about a 2-inch Velcro piece, and that'll close up as well. Looks like it has a really soft interior too. That feels just like the outside. It's got that really soft velvety feel to it, so that's really nice. You can see it's got some high quality stitching through here as well. And on the back side, it has the same feel right there. The back of the eyes are totally green, and all around it feels like a really high quality hat right here. It feels nice and sturdy. So let's just pop it on real quick like that. You can see it goes right over top of my head just fine. It's got really cute eyes that stick up straight like that. Let's try to put on the Velcro right here, and you can see that that's not going anywhere. So really super cute hat. I really like it. I think you're gonna like it too if you're a fan of frogs and you're a fan of hats like this. And it's fairly warm. I think it does a good job of covering the ears, so you could probably literally wear this on a nice cool day, and it would keep your head and your ears warm as well. And it's also going to keep your chin warm and kind of a piece of your neck warm right here too. So that's really nice. Overall, a really high quality hat. I think it's even better than what I expected.